As a gym girly, there's nothing more daunting than taking a ton load of supplements in the morning. Like, ain't nobody got time for that. Thank God I discovered Golden Nutrition because they make taking your daily supplements simple and delicious. So your girl is in the gym because I've been struggling with getting rid of my fupa after having my boys. So you know that gut health has to be my main focus along with cardio. So today I'll be trying the world's first apple cider vinegar gummies, which surprisingly tastes real good. These gummies are made with vitamin B9 and B12 to support immune health, heart health, and a healthy nervous system overall. These gummies are also gluten-free, and with only 2 grams of sugar, your body and taste buds will thank you. I also decided to try the Superfruit Beauty Gummies, which contains vitamins A, C, and E to help with collagen formation, skin structure, and elasticity so that your skin can maintain that